Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Dogecoin video. Now, what we got going on here is I'm seeing that we're within a wave 3 right now with Dogecoin. Not 100% certain that we're within a wave 3, but so far, the technicals are not telling us anything otherwise, and we are hitting these different price predictions that we have here with these boxes. Now, I'm thinking that as we get into this next week, that we're going to be seeing Dogecoin hopefully reach a price that's somewhere between the price of say 11.5 cents to somewhere as high as 12.5 cents as a possibility. A lot of just retracing from where it was. Just after the whole FTX fallout had happened, and that had sent the price of Dogecoin down. Now, everything that we've been seeing from the 52-week low with Dogecoin that was back in the middle of June, which at that time the price of Dogecoin was just a little bit below 5 cents at that time. I'm seeing all that in this price that we had that was nearly 16 cents that we had back at the beginning of November, late October. That whole run there was our wave 1, and then we got the whole FTX drama that had happened, and that's what sent our wave 2 down a bit lower than we had wanted it to. We were thinking that we're going to be seeing the wave 2 come down somewhere within the 10-cent range, which now we're within that range within the price right now, so we're wherever we want to be. And we're still also within a wave 3 right now. So things are still fine. Everything's looking good. We just need a little bit more certainty to confirm that this is where things currently are at right now within the price. And so I'm hoping that as we had seen the price come down within 5 waves with the FTX fallout, that was enough to complete this wave 2. And this is that transition now into the wave 3. Now, there's a possibility if we were looking at subwaves here within the wave 3 that we would have our first subwave currently in, and we're working on that second subwave right now. But I think that this wave 3 right now has so much potential to really not just, of course, retrace from where it was at within the wave 1, but it go a bit higher than that, of course. And there's a lot of possibilities with that. I'm thinking that we could be seeing Dogecoin get to, which we'll talk about here more a little bit in a minute. But just to look at some other details. Now, over these last 7 days, we've seen Dogecoin up nearly 6%. So the price has been moving very positive. Really great stuff to see. A lot of this, of course, is all due to the speculation about Dogecoin, Twitter, Elon Musk, how Twitter is implementing payments, and how Dogecoin, of course, being something that is really favored among the cryptocurrencies with Elon Musk, the potential with Dogecoin to really start seeing some big gains as it becomes having more use cases due to the fact of payment processing and stuff with Twitter, which Twitter has already registered that payment processing system that they have in the works. So that's one positive thing that really has the price of Dogecoin moving with that. And also for people that aren't familiar, Elon Musk, who was one of the original founders of PayPal, he did buy back X.com, which was the original version of PayPal, what it was originally called before a merger back in the day. He had bought that back in 2017. He had bought X.com back from PayPal, and the project for Twitter's payment processing system is actually called X. So keep that in mind, that's the implementation there, and this whole payment system for Twitter, X project, is the original name of PayPal. So something big really coming here, some things to look forward to, but that's what's going on there. Now, as far as where do I think things could be going here within this wave 3, I think that this wave 3 has so much potential. Very hopeful that we're going to be seeing it reach this price of 11.5 cents and keep rising within this next week. And if this wave 3 can just gain some momentum here, I think that the wave 3 could easily be going somewhere within the range of 24 to even possibly 35 cents within this wave 3. I think there's a lot of potential with it, but of course, it's going to be something that's going to really drag out possibly into the second quarter of 2023. So keep that in mind. I'm not talking about Dogecoin starting to see any sort of major price gains like this anytime soon. This is going to take us into next year. That is what I'm thinking. But all this, of course, is not financial advice. This is my own personal opinion, so keep that in mind as well. But anyways, I'd like to hear what you guys think about this. Where do you guys think that Dogecoin is going to be within this next week or next 2 weeks? And do you think that seeing this wave 3 have as much potential of going to that price that could be somewhere between that 24 cent and possibly a 35-cent price. What do you guys think about that? I'd like to know. So with that being said, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day on my channel, and I talk about many other altcoins as well. And I've been talking a lot about Dogecoin as well. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you for watching, listening, and I will see you in the next one.